Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're excited about learning new ways to better your life, hit that like button and subscribe for awesome.
Hey everyone, if you're looking for ways to make an honest income online, whether through trading, investing, or other online opportunities, you're in the right place. I keep my videos short and straight to the point so you get all the important info without wasting time. So stick around till the end, and if you find this helpful, hit like and subscribe to support the channel. Also, if you have any questions or video requests, drop a comment below. I always read them. So, what makes this channel different? I break down complex topics like trading, crypto arbitrage, passive income, and online business into simple, easy-to-follow steps. My videos are short and effective. No fluff, just the info you need. I test strategies before sharing them so you don't waste your time or money. If that sounds good to you, subscribe now because I have tons of content coming up. In upcoming videos, I'll cover trading strategies, from beginner to advanced, crypto arbitrage, how to profit from price differences, passive income methods, earning online without a full-time job, and how to spot scams and avoid losing money. If any of these topics interest you, let me know in the comments which one you want me to cover first. The best way to support this channel is simple. Like this video. It helps more people find it. Subscribe so you don't miss out on valuable content. Comment. Tell me what you want me to explain next. If you're serious about making honest money online, make sure you stick with this channel. I have so much to share that will help you start earning. See you in the next video. Let's make money the right way.
Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Mr. Mo for more awesome content. Your support means a lot and helps us grow. Let's get into it.